Why, hello there. Today is the same day as my last video. I wasn't planning on making an additional video after I uploaded my last video, which I'll link it in the description below if you haven't seen it yet. I was just going through my phone because I was bored. And then I came across these. Like, what? Armies are being really creative, and they made these like cute paper airplanes in honoring of Army's 8th anniversary. And I thought, on my channel, I want to show my love for art. So BTS and art coming together, oh yeah. So I'm gonna be making my own army airplane. I guess you could call it that, army airplane. Alright, I got my blank sheet paper, and I'm going to make a paper airplane. I haven't made a paper airplane in like years, in such a long time. I remember I always make paper airplanes with my dad, and then we'll be like flying them everywhere in this apartment. Those were the good times. Actually, the more I think of it, the more I feel like I'm doing this wrong, because I haven't made it in such a long time. So, here's paper airplane. That's one big fat airplane. But I could probably do something about it. Hopefully. My plan is that one of the wings I'm gonna put their names in. And for this, I'm still thinking. So I'm done with one of the wings. See? I just put their names and the colors that match with their mics, and I put like a heart next to it. Now, while I was making this, I had an idea of what I should do with this. I'm going to try to make the silhouettes of the BT21 characters. I think that would be super cute. Starting out with Cookie because, look what I made in my art class. So, we were doing paper mache, and it was like the last couple weeks of school. And they asked us to make a creature that's not human-y. So I thought, let's make Cookie. Alright, so I don't know how I'm gonna attempt to do this. I don't want to mess up. I'm scared, but... Actually, hold on a second. This... I got at Five Below, and this is like a board, and it sees all the BT21 characters look like they're at New York. Fun. So I'm gonna use this as a way to help me. So, yeah. So now that I'm done with the little silhouettes of the BT21 characters, see, they maybe look a little derpy, but they look cute, don't they? Okay, I have a very good idea for these sides, which I already put down this. I'm gonna put like "We Are Together" and "We Are Forever" to represent the lyrics of the lyrics from "We Are Bulletproof, the Eternal," which is a very emotional song, but I think it's the song that represents us, armies. So I'm gonna write that. Ta-da! Here is my very own army airplane. So let me give you like a tour of it, shall we? So here is the army logo, and it says here, we are Yawani, which means forever in Korean, and it's your purple heart. On the other side is the BTS logo, and it says, we are Hanggae, which means together. And as your purple hearts as well. And this side, I put their names, and like each color that goes with their mics, and I put hearts next to it. And here are the silhouettes of the BT21. And in the middle, I put Army, and it looks like two of the logos. I say I did a really good job. So I have right here my little airplane, and let's see how it flies. Wow. I guess I'm really bad at making paper airplanes because they don't fly as good. Let it keep going down. Okay, third time's the charm. Damn. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. This took me so long that it is now 2 o'clock in the morning. And I don't know why I'm still up. Right after I edit this, I'm gonna go to sleep because I'm really tired. Well, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. That'd be really cool. Leave a comment, see how you like it, and subscribe. With that, I'll see you guys later. Bye.